Meanwhile, the king remarries. The second queen, graceful but politically ambitious, gives birth to a son.
Hope fills the kingdom. He will bring a new dawn.
My queen, the Iron Crown must pass to a worthy heir. The Northern Lords will not accept a weak claim.
Then propose a solution, before ambition tears us apart.
I will not stand idle.
My son is the stronger heir. He should rule. But tradition is clear. The throne belongs to the firstborn daughter. The dragons circle. War is upon us.
Then we must stand, whatever the cost.